Hello and welcome to BlackPipper Forex. Today we will be discussing Forex scalping strategy based on 1 minute chart. This is based on one single indicator called Accelerator. This indicator is by default present in your MT4 platform. Simply go to your navigation bar and see the indicator list. So in this indicator list, you'll find your accelerator indicator here. Simply go with the default settings. Nothing should change. Simply click on OK. I have already installed one, so I'll be going with one indicator. Okay, so let's get started. So how do you find a buy entry on the chart using this indicator? Okay, so the time frame is 1 minute, as you can see, and here is your indicator window. Okay, so in this window we have a zero line. So if the bars are above the zero line, this indicates that the market is in the bullish phase, and it's denoted by a green bar. If the price, if the bar of this indicator window is below the 0 point and is in the red color, this is considered as a bearish sign. So how do we enter it? Simply wait for the accelerator bars to move to the upside from the down, from here up to here, and simply close above the zero line like here. So on this candle, on this bar, you should enter on the candle. Okay, so this is the bar, this red very small bar with no shadow. So simply your entry point is close of the candle. This is 1.3707. Your stop loss and take profit are fixed 4 pips. So it's 3707, and our stop loss would be 3703. This is your exact stop loss. Same is the profit target, that is 4 pips. Okay, 11.8, 37118, this is somewhere exactly at this region. So this is a very recent trade. Before I was starting the recording, around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, just 9 minutes ago, this was the entry I found, and I just got hit my profit target. Okay. So similarly, how you the same way you can trade a sell signal as well. See the accelerator bar here. The bars went up, then started declining, and here you can see the red bar below the zero mark. This is your entry. So which candle is it? Okay, so this is the candle. Okay, 3714 is your entry. Your stop loss is 3718. Okay, and your take profit is 3710. 37, yes, like this. So again, and just remember, in this strategy, this is a high frequency trading. This is HFT trading method, and you'll have plenty of trades in a single day. And the risk to reward ratio is 1:1. However, you can manage a 1:2, like you can keep your take profit double the risk, like 4 pips is your stop loss, so you can keep it around 8 pips, which is 3706. Okay, so you can keep your take profit double the risk around here, but in that case just be very cautious that perhaps you have to manage your running positions with the trading stop, or moving your stop loss to the break even, or partially liquidating your positions at TP1. So this is you have to keep in mind, and you have to be very particular about that. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, just share it, and do leave your questions or feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care.